All right, this is the daily chart of Apple. Before I talk about Apple, I'm going to talk quickly about, of course, what this video is about. It's about all the confirmed trades: IBM, Netflix, TSEM, TWTR, GS, Apple. There's been a few more, but these are the main ones. And there have been losers and or break evens, and we're just going to go over it. But when we look at the big picture of things, when you go into trades that are in strong confirmation, the odds always favor you winning money. And we're going to show this how this works. Out of these picks, right? A lot of people put up a lot of picks. I don't put many picks up. They're mostly quality picks. And then I have another special message for my followers. Important message. I'm going to be changing the way I do I want to try something to do a different change for the updates. I'm going to explain this, after and then. So here we are. Here's Apple. I talked about Apple on the reversal day on August the 8th, and we're going to go to the profile page, and we're going to go scroll down to August the 8th. So we scroll down quickly to August the 8th. This is what people can do, reference themselves, right? Okay, so here it is. August the 8th. I did this in the evening. I wrote, Apple is set up for higher prices for low risk, high profits trade. Chart explains new points. Click on here. And basically, I said this needed to break above 96. And then 97 would be strong confirmation. This is what happened. And believe it or not, and I also described the options. Again, you go to August 8th and you can read this yourself. But here's the quick proof of what happened. So we're just going quickly. And of course, the gains already are, these September calls are above 150%. They've already done this already, way faster than I anticipated. And I've given a lot of instructions, okay? So let's go back to the charts, okay? So that was Apple. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix, I talked about August 24th. The trade didn't work. It didn't go, it didn't go very far. But I also exited this very quickly, and I mentioned this on my profile page. So, it was more like a break-even trade. I didn't like the feel of it. Usually, the trades go a lot more smoother. But nonetheless, it was a small, it's a break-even trade. It was also possible for someone to take a small profit, but I did not like this trade. I think it's still setting up, but that's another topic. It doesn't really matter when you can just compare it. If you took just an Apple trade and a Netflix trade, you're still up huge, right? Let's go now to another stock called TSEM. TSEM is a stock I talked about on August 23rd. So let's go to that, and I'll come back to the chart again, just so I'm showing people you can see it, because I'm for the real deal. So we'll go to August 23rd. I don't play around with this stuff like a lot of people on this Twitter stock twits. So let's see here, August the 23rd. Here it is. Update targets are okay. So we click on this, and I said this was lacking power at the time, and that we really need to show the power, and I'd get excited. I talked about this, right? This is again August the 23rd. You can find that on my profile page. This confirmed and is actually up quite a bit. Actually, a person made about a point in a couple of days. If we go to the chart here, what happened was the day it confirmed on this day here, right? Because we had the volume a lot more than usual. They closed at 1087, and then the next day they pop it up, bringing it back down, back to practically, I got in around 1080, but it never went against at all. And then I've seen this type of action. It's still holding the support, and then they pop and run it. And today he had a high of 12, so it's a very successful trade, and it looks well on its way to the targets I mentioned on my. Let's go here. Where are we here? On TSEM, right? So now let's go back to my charts over here, and let's go look at Twitter. TWTR. Okay, Twitter is a stock I mentioned on August the 22nd. And I showed how on the daily chart it had broken out already, but I was looking for confirmation. I was looking for Monday, which was this day here, to confirm, but it didn't. It confirmed the next day, of course, and we got the volume, as you can see. Here's the volume. You can see that, right? So it confirmed and it's gone up higher. And if we go to my go to here, my profile, and we can go to, by the way, August 22nd. I also said that Twitter would outperform Facebook. August the 22nd. Let's see here. Let's go to August the 27th. Sorry, August the 22nd. Here it is. Well, update, Twitter update. Charts that I explained, targets, entry options could be a strong winner, right? So look at this again, right? A lot of people like this, of course. I like this stock if it could break up on Monday, but it didn't. This happened on Tuesday. Doesn't matter, right? Twitter is set up for higher prices, although my daily chart is confirmed. I would like to see, right? So I could have got this in earlier, but I was looking for strong confirmation because I wanted to know for sure this was going to want to make a move. I didn't want to get into some sort of chop. I said this could be a strong options play. You know, already if you bought the right kind of options, it's close to 100% already. We never hit stop, so this was another winning trade, right? So Netflix was a break even, and so let me close this over here. Let me close this over here, and let's go back to the charts, and let's put Goldman Sachs GS. So here's GS, Goldman Sachs, and sorry about the background noise. Family keeps talking when I don't want them to talk to me. But anyways, GS, August the 20th is when I talked about it. It confirmed. We got to go back to look at the confirmation. Now this trade did work, but it didn't go for very far. Well, you know, it wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be. And of course, this has worked. The Goldman Sachs trade has worked. I took profits and didn't hold it, but if you held this, you could have, of course, made more money. I didn't like the action, but it happened to, still do well. Let's go to the Goldman Sachs, August the 20th. August the 20th. Where are you, Goldman Sachs? Here it is. GS, what update? What needs to happen for a strong move higher? My chart explained. So let's click on this, right? And I explain one of the secrets to making 100% gains in options within a few days, a few weeks is understanding that stock must prove itself. Blah 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 blah. You see me explain all that again. August 20th. You can find all this. I'm showing you in my chart video, and it shows here it needs to crack above 175. This confirmed. And I was looking for targets of 180, 185. It's practically there, even though I haven't held to it. Some people may have held. It was still a thing. I also said this day here. This is when it was going down. I was saying how important it was to confirm. So here it rejected, then it reversed, and it confirmed. And it confirmed on the well, actually, I think on the 22nd. It confirmed the right price action on the 22nd, and since is then been profitable. Just that I didn't expect them to make these small pullbacks, so it was a profitable trade. Again, another winner. So there you have it. TSEM, Twitter, Apple, Goldman Sachs. Now we'll go to not a loser actually, just more of another break-even. But it's a loser to me. But a break-even is a break-even. IBM. I talked about IBM August the 25th. That it needed to break above 192. It did confirm, and you can see the highs was 194, but they pulled it back. So on this day here, I took small profits, and the stock really didn't take off. It's still probably consolidating and trying to go higher. So waiting for the point of my video here is waiting for confirmed trades puts the odds in your favor. As you see, every stock that's confirmed based on my either produces a large gain or a small profit, but very rare, do you get it losses. Netflix could be in a small loss because of the pullback, but that's about it. A small loss, the worst if one didn't manage it right. But Twitter was a winner. Goldman Sachs was a winner. Apple, a huge winner. TSEM, pretty strong winner. So Netflix and IBM didn't really work out, and they didn't have the best setups either. What I want to I'm gonna not talk about the and for IBM, you can look on my profile. Just go to my profile if you want to look what I said about IBM. But you know what? You got to change your mind very quickly when things don't work out. I think IBM still goes higher, but I'm not going crazy about it. You can look at find the IBM what I said on August the 25th. Keep positive comments coming in. That's great. I like that, so I'll always try to feature really positive comments. What I want to do, this is a special message now to my followers. What I want to do is, I want anyone who wants like special, like the updates, like instead of me posting them, what I'm going to do is send people, a few of my followers, the really great ideas that I have. And the only way I'm going to do that is through direct message. So whoever wants me to direct message them, if they're my follower, I will add them to a follower. So message me on that. And it's something I want to try to do to grow the follow. And basically, when we win and everything, what I want everyone to do is to comment on the chart. When I'm gonna post the charts after the fact. I'm going to give the charts before the fact to my special followers. I'm going to pick a select group of the first 10 to 20 and send them the winning money charts, providing they've been following me and understand what I'm doing, and they use, and from there, and I'm going to post stop instructions and everything, and then we're going to post it, and I want to try this. So that's a new thing I want to do. I want to get my followers more involved, because I think I'm putting premium picks out here, and just putting it out sporadically, people just get lazy and just, they think, or they don't take it as seriously. So I think I can grow the followership more by this direct messaging and then posting after the fact. So only the select few make the profits, or people will be more hungry to, and I can grow it that way. So I want to try that. So message me if you want to go into this new program of mine, and we'll take it from there. So and then what I'll do is I'll add you as a follower, and then send the stock ideas to my direct to my followers, through direct message. Thanks for listening. Like the video.